let's be honest. By now, it's pretty clear the Pixel 10 series won't be making headlines for bold, over-the-top changes. But that might actually be a good thing. This year, Google seems to be focusing on subtle, meaningful upgrades, the kind that matter in everyday use. Starting with the design, it's largely business as usual. We're looking at four familiar models: the budget-friendly base Pixel, two Pro variants, and a foldable. Visually, not much is shifting, but beneath the surface, Google appears to be doing some thoughtful refinement that could make a real difference. The most exciting development, the new Tensor G5 chip. This marks Google's first fully custom silicon built by TSMC, moving away from Samsung's foundry. That change alone should lead to significant improvements in efficiency. No, it won't suddenly transform the Pixel into a gaming powerhouse. But let's be real, most of us just want a phone that doesn't overheat the moment we open Instagram. As you may already know, the Pixel 10 series is set to launch in the US on August 20th. On the same day, I'll be uploading an in-depth review covering the entire lineup. So if you want to be among the first to watch it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's talk about the camera. This is where things start to get exciting. With the Tensor G5, Google is introducing a custom image signal processor, which could translate into major improvements in photo quality. Honestly, the recent Pixel cameras have felt a bit underwhelming. They've lost some of that signature magic. But if Google is rebuilding the entire camera pipeline from the ground up, there's reason to hope for a comeback. There's another promising upgrade on the horizon: faster storage. Rumor has it that the Pixel 10 Pro XL may start at 256 gigabytes, possibly signaling a long overdue shift away from the aging UFS 3.1 standard. That said, it's still a bit unclear, as some leaks suggest base models might stick with 128 gigabytes. Let's talk colors for a moment. That leaked Indigo Pixel 10? Absolutely stunning. And if Moonstone and Jade look even half as striking in person, count me in. My only hope is that they don't end up too muted or washed out. Now, onto something unexpected: magnets. With Qi2 charging picking up momentum, there's a strong chance the Pixel 10 will finally embrace magnetic wireless charging. Pair that with larger batteries, and this once subtle refresh suddenly feels a lot more compelling. Will I be disappointed if Google skips magnets altogether? Absolutely. But the rumored Pixel Snap accessory ecosystem sounds promising enough to ease that letdown. And perhaps the most reassuring update? Pricing. So far, things look stable. No major jumps in sight. The only change appears to be the removal of the lowest storage tier from the Pro XL. Let's just hope Google sticks to that and doesn't sneak in any last-minute surprises. At the end of the day, the Pixel 10 looks like a smart, deliberate upgrade. It's not trying to wow with flashy gimmicks. It's more about refining the formula that already worked. If you've been holding out since the Pixel 8 or earlier, this might be the one worth picking up. But if you're already using the Pixel 9, you're probably safe sitting this one out. And that's perfectly fine. So what about you? Excited for the Pixel 10 series, or not quite feeling it this time around? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep smiling.